Ooh, I'm all up on their grass. Door knocking today. Here's the setup. Stop by my open house at that crib over there from 11 to 3. It's officially open house day. I'm here a little bit later than I expected it to be. It starts at 11. I got here at like 9:40. I got all my stuff right here. I'm about to set it up. I'm about to turn on all the lights. About to get it cracking. The MLO, he's gonna be here soon. Without further ado, I'm just gonna get it cracking and start setting up. I'm all up on their grass. We door knocking today. Stop by my open house at that crib over there from 11 to 3. Here's the setup. So far we had 2 guests come in. They have realtors. Well, 2 of them, they came with realtors already. So a couple people came in already. It's been going good so far. Okay, y'all, so the open house is officially over. I packed up my open house signs, packed up everything. I'm heading home. Baby, I am exhausted. Turnout was cool. I always have low expectations, so they won't be super high. So like my expectation was maybe one person coming or something, and there was definitely more than one. Oh, it was a lot of people that, well, it was, I want to say 15 people showed up. They were like in groups, so like families and stuff like that. I got a couple signatures on my sign-in sheet. I basically got 2 leads. One couple's actually actively looking, which is so great. The other lead was just, they lived in the neighborhood and they were just like stopping by to check out the open house. But I feel really strong about the first lead, so I'm going to hit them up tomorrow. Since this house wasn't my like listing myself, other agents were telling me, oh, we're gonna write offers. Okay, great, awesome. I let the agent know. Unfortunately, it's not my offer. One thing you may not have known about open houses though, but like how open houses work, is basically like sometimes if you're like an agent and you see a property on the MLS that you may want to do open house for, you can reach out to the agent like I did, but that doesn't mean that property is yours. It's that agent's. So they represent the seller. So if there's somebody that comes into your open house who already like has clients, they already represent they're the buyer's agents. They represent their client. So if they make a sell on the property, I don't get anything of it. I just helped with their marketing, basically. If I brought the buyer myself, then yeah, I would make money off of it. But it's fine because like it's just experience. I'm getting experience. I'm networking with people. So I look forward to the next one next week. I'm going to do one next week, which I'm super excited for. But the connections I made were like super great. Like I met loan officer. Like I said, it it was a cool first open house experience. Like my friends came and showed up and showed out. Shout out to Early Bakari and Harrington. Like, that literally made my whole entire heart. Oh my gosh, like when my friends come and support me, that means the world to me. I don't even understand how much that means the world to me. Like, anyway, I'm about to head home, do my Sunday reset. Maybe just even chill. I just want to go home and just chill at this point, honestly. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more real estate content, vlogs, day in a life, lifestyle content, just let me know how y'all feel. Do y'all like me showing my personality? Do y'all like, what type of content do y'all want to see? I want to make way more content for y'all. Like, I want to get this YouTube popping. I've been trying, like, if y'all see my other YouTube videos, y'all know I wanted to get into YouTube since I was 8th grade. So 13 years old. So I'm down to make content for y'all. Just let me know what y'all want to see. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.